Hello students, this is Devarchana Raut, lecturer in computer science. Today we are going to discuss on the subject computer hardware and maintenance. So before discussing the topic, let's know what is computer hardware and maintenance and what does this subject include. In this subject, we will discuss about different principles to be followed in the computer center management. We will also have an idea about different components of computers, both in desktop and laptops. We shall also give idea about methods of assembling the hardware parts and disassembling of hardware parts of a computer. Besides that, we are also going to discuss different troubleshooting techniques in a computer. So with the very first topic, we will start with computer center management. So first we need to discuss what is the need of management in a computer center. Why we need a computer center, why we need it to get managed. So for that we will discuss about some of the services that are provided by a computer center. So the very first service, it provides computer related services to personnel and customers. That we use computers for personal need also, and also it resolves the problems and any difficulties or any software or hardware related problems of the customer. Computer centers are also helpful to provide advice and consultancy for users. It also provides system development services to users. System development services means if we want to upgrade any software, if we want to upgrade any hardware component, so all those services are provided by the computer center. It is also useful to provide data entry services. Moreover, the computer centers are useful for data entry services. The data entry operators save the data, upgrade the data, update them, and also we can retrieve the data as per the user's requirement. It also provides IT execution services to understand and maintain the IT standards. It means it provides to an organization any IT services and also need to maintain those service standards. It is also helpful to keep and protect the IT data assets too. The need of management in computer center has a last but not the least need, that is, it ensures that the organization has adequate and advanced IT progress, and two ensures that all the services that are provided by the organization are meeting the user's requirement or not. So these were some of the services that are provided by the computer center, for which we need the management in computer center. We need to run the computer center and take the advantage of all those services provided by the computer center. In our next slides, we are going to know about what are the roles and responsibilities that are being done in the computer center. So let's move forward. in the next part, we are going to discuss the types of jobs carried out in a computer or by a computer in an organization. So here are some basic jobs carried out in the computers in an organization. Firstly, providing computing capability. So what are the computing capabilities? So we can describe the computing capabilities as running programs and producing the reports, producing printing documents, providing operation services. All those are the computing capabilities that are provided by a computer used in an organization. Secondly, providing internet services. So we are well known that internet services are the most part and parcel of each and every person or each and every organization or each and every aspect of our life. So this is the most important job carried out by the computers in an organization. So what are the internet services we get? We set up the internet and email accounts, we manage the mailboxes, we also store the data items, we can provide security and virus warnings, etc. are all the internet services provided by a computer to an organization. Next, providing any kind of help. So what are the helps? The computers help the users to solve computer users' problems, help the users to develop simple applications, help the users to keep their data and also maintain the security of those data assets. Next, we already have discussed it that it provides system development services. System development services includes upgradation of the system software or upgradation in the system hardware components, advancement in their functionings. This all includes the system development services. Next, it also provides data entry services. These services includes storing data in database, data protection by data backup and recovery applications. It also includes scanning images into the systems, which is also considered as the part of data entry services. So, data entry is one of the most, in day-to-day life, it is one of the most important services provided by the computer to the organization. We store the data in a specific data structure in our database so that in future we can retrieve the data as per our use, as per our requirement. Next, it also provides consultancy services. Consultancy services we can summarize as customer care services. After purchasing any device, how we have to install a hardware or software. So all those consultancy services or help desks users help us to do our work, to do the users' work or their requirement more efficiently. Lastly, the last service is providing training. Providing training for users include that how to implement the upgraded softwares, how to implement the new hardware components. All in all, we can say how to develop the system, how to give system development services. So experts give training for the system development services. Basically, recently we use e-learning concepts for the training and also for the implementation of those services. So these were the services provided by a computer to an organization. In our next slides, we will see what are the groups involved in a organization, what are their roles and responsibilities to run the organization using a computer. So this much for this slide. Thank you.